All right, I'm Dr. Ara Deuk and the future Dr. Deuk next to me here.
That's right.
And with my patient who just had surgery, right?
I did.
You got out about an hour or so ago from surgery.
Yeah.
And why did you have back surgery?
Leg pain. Back pain, leg pain.
Back pain and leg pain.
Yeah, right side out there.
Okay. So how long have you lived with back pain for?
Since October. Severely back pain. You know, aching and pain over the years, but
So aches and pains over the year, but real bad in October. When did the right leg pain start?
after he hugged me.
After he hugged you, a bear hug. And that was in what, October?
That was in October. He stuck up behind me and I turned and that was it. That was
All
it.
right. So why did you choose the Deuk laser disc repair surgery, the endoscopic surgery? Why did you choose that?
Because we wanted the most non-invasive, easy, get it over. No, no long-term recovery. Be it going as fast as possible.
We did our research. We looked at all the techniques, and by far your technique is the best.
Yes, it is. I'm glad you recognize that. A lot of people don't know that.
Absolutely.
Yeah, good.
Yeah.
So, did you meet other surgeons and they offered you other treatments?
Oh yeah.
Yeah. We went to other, name hospitals and, talked to surgeons about their techniques and really weren't happy with either the prognosis or the technique, and now that when we learned about your center here and studied what you do, we were sold right away. I mean, it's absolutely clear.
Yeah, good.
Absolutely clear.
Well, we're very happy you found us, and the recovery is going to be overnight basically, and by tomorrow you're going to be walking normal and feeling great. So.
Yay. I'm
Now-
not cooking Christmas dinner.
No, you don't have to cook Christmas dinner. Order out.
Yeah,
You got all
yeah.
these services that bring food nowadays, right?
That's right.
So the back pain you had before your surgery today, tell me about that pain. Is it still there? How much is gone?
It's gone. It's gone.
Completely
And-
gone.
And, it was having to bend over completely to even go anywhere was impossible.
And
And it didn't help anyway to bend over. The pain was excruciating down the
yeah,
leg.
did pills fix the problem for you?
No. I mean, it really didn't. Short-lived.
Well, I think you're going to be real happy. As long as you follow my instructions, no lifting over 25 pounds, don't bend over, pick anything up from the ground. The pain relief you have right now in your back and legs should be permanent. So congratulations.
Thank you very
Excellent.
much. You're
Merry
awesome.
Christmas, happy holidays.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Thank you, Doc.
All right, you're
Wonderful.
welcome.
Wonderful.
All right, thank you.
Excellent.